So hello my friends, I am still here and I want to show you the bushing kit I have received 2 days ago approximately. This is polyurethane W210 rear subframe bushing kit, which is made by STRONGFLEX Poland. Here is the part number for the front bushing kit, I mean this, and here is the part number for the rear bushing kit. I mean this. So now let's look closer what you have in overall and how the kit looks in the real life. To be honest, at first I want to mention that the quality is superb. I was not expecting such great quality from aftermarket manufacturer, especially when it comes to polyurethane bushings. The bushings are made very well, and at least they are not very stiff. The STRONGFLEX also offers some yellow stuff for W210. This is actually red, and you can see that the color is red, and the yellow is more stiffer compared to the red. But one of good my friend shared his experience with me. By the way, he is running this red stuff on his E55 AMG, and I decided to trust his experience, and that's why I bought this red stuff, and I think it will be good upgrade for my car, but I want it to be very stiff, and that's why I don't ordered some yellow stuff. Also, we have here these aluminum sleeves. Guys, this kit looks like a puzzle. I mean that we have here some additional parts and elements which must be gathered as a puzzle, and then you will be able to install it on W210 in the subframe. So after the sleeves, I want to show you this metal washers, and at least also we have some polyurethane washers included in the kit. Very good that STRONGFLEX also offers some catalog where is shown all the information how this puzzle have to be gathered. Every element which is made from the polyurethane here is stamped with the STRONGFLEX letters and has the part number also stamped on it. So my friends, in overall, the front polyurethane bushings for the rear subframe is superb, and I like it very much. Also we have here some grease which is also offered by the STRONGFLEX. This grease is often very needed part to make sure that you will not get any squeaks when you are running some polyurethane parts on your car. Now let's move on the rear subframe bushings, the rear ones, which are the bigger compared to the front ones. The story is the same here, STRONGFLEX markings and the part numbers. What can I say? Once again, they are made very well, and I think that they definitely would be a good upgrade for my car. When I was changing my rear stabilizer bar and links and upgrading it, you know that I'm running some AMG stuff on my car. I noticed that the rear subframe bushings are a little worn out on my car. Not a big deal, but I wanted to replace them, and I decided to go with the STRONGFLEX. I think let's try polyurethane bushings on my car. Here you can see what is included on the rear subframe bushing rear kit, 2 main bushes, then this polyurethane washers, the metal washers, and the sleeves. Here you can see how stiffness is here, and once again the stiffness is not very hard compared to their yellow stuff. So guys, this kit costs about $150 US or euros. I can't remember. You can check them on STRONGFLEX EU and see the prices. Also, there will be some additional cost for the delivery. What can I say in additional? Now I'm thinking how I will be able to install them on my car. I want to do the job myself, but maybe I will need some additional tools, I don't know. And to be honest, I am going to do this upgrade in the spring. So now it is cold outside, and it will be very hard to do this in my garage. But anyway, the parts are here, and we are ready to crank. So guys, here we also have greases, and I think that the grease is enough in overall 7 packages, and it will be enough, I think. But I have some additional grease in my garage also, and the grease is no problem here. At least they sent to me such type of sticker, and I like it very much. I also have found the correct place in my garage where I will install this sticker. Do I recommend them or not? On this stage, I recommend them, but let me. By the way, this is Facom 40 E40 torque socket, which you will need to remove your factory bushings. They are installed on the chassis with the E40 torque bolt. So do I recommend them? What I see here, yes, but guys, let me some time to receive some experience, and I will be able to do it after I install them on my car, and then I will share you my thoughts about them. Hope you enjoy this video. It was enough informational. If you like, make sure to thumbs up. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next episodes. Goodbye.